welcome back to a new video. Okay, in today's video what we're going to do is probably some of the same. We're going to do some varnish work and some paint work. So this is the bilge on in the V-berth, and these stringers have lost all the varnish. That's primarily due to the knot meter and the depth sounder holes being in this area. So when the knot meter gets fouled, you need to pull this plug out, which also lets in a lot of seawater, and this wood gets wet, and just over the years the varnish went away, and so now I will re-varnish this. I'll re-varnish these two stringers here, and that's pretty much the job. And then later on we will sand and paint the wood member there, because some of the paint went away as well, so that'll be a minor touch up, but we'll take care of that as well. And so that's the job, really. Just sand and clean up the wood will be the first step. Clean it and then mask it and varnish, and then step 2 will be to do the paint. But at this point, let's get going. I'll set this camera up and then we will start sanding. Okay, this is a really tiny area for a guy like me, so I'm still going to do my best. And so I'm starting off with 100 to take down the high spots and kind of smooth it out. Then I'll go to 220 to finish it off. And I just noticed here that there's some wood here that I'll need to touch up as well, which I didn't notice at first, but let's take care of that too. Alright, so let's get going. So let's literally just sand. I'm going to be using some denatured alcohol to clean the wood. I found that it works really well cleaning wood and varnish and everything. It is aggressive enough to get everything, sticks around long enough. Unlike other cleaners like acetone, and it dissipates and goes away, doesn't leave a bad surface. So cleans it up nice. And this is the same fuel that we used to use in our alcohol stove years ago with our other boat. Really worked well as a fuel, but also works great as a cleaner. Okay, we're back. We're all masked up. So I'm using a chip brush. Again, it's not critical. So I'm just going to use this full strength and I'll apply it. Some over there too. Underneath this area. Try to get it underneath. It's absorbed nicely into the wood. I think this is just in the way. Bag's just in the way. I'm not tripping much. So let this go, let this dry for a little while, and then I'll be back. Thank you. Okay, we're back. It's been a few hours. Varnish is dry, so I'm going to give it another coat. This varnish you do not need to sand between coats for up to, I believe, 72 hours between coats. So, and again, it's not a critical area, so let's give it some more varnish. Okay, so that was the second coat put on. I will put on maybe another 3 or 4, and I probably won't record those. Welcome back. I'm still putting varnish on, putting the last coat on. This will be the 5th coat. That's all I'm going to do because this is protected, so I'm not too worried about putting on more. So I'll be back later today to take the tape off. So coming out real nice. I'm real happy with the results. A lot of work for something no one else is ever going to see. Okay, I'm out of varnish, so that means the job is done. So I'll be back later today to take the tape off. I'm pretty much done with the varnish. So I'll probably wrap up this video and then I'll do a separate video on the wood. So I think that makes the most sense. So let me take the tape off and call it a day. How awesome does that look? Looks really good. Happy with that. And we will get started with the wood on the next video. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be doing many more videos on repairs and upgrades. Thank you for watching.